Hi, Steve here from CSB Medical, and today I'm going to be showing you a special bariatric sponge kit. So these coated sponges, which I will show you. As you can see, they're light green in color. They are a coated sponge, so they have a special spray, proprietary medical grade, fluid resistant, cleanable coating. So it comes sprayed on top of a standard core foam interior. So there's minimal shadowing with low attenuation. As I said, it's a light green color, and they are radiolucent, which means they can be x-rayed without any artifacts. So they're actually designed with the proprietary flared angles to offer significantly reduced artifacts during viewing. So the flared size will increase the overall size of the sponge. So this particular kit is called a Stealth Coat Bariatric Kit. This is the model YSBA, which is Bariatric Torso Bolster. So it's 18.5 by 16.5 by 7. So you can see a good view of the shape there. So that is the first one in the kit. And the second one is a fairly large item. Show it to you here. It is a YSBA, and that one is a decubitus abdominal pad. And the base size is 21.5 by 27.5 by 4 inches. And it has a top size, so you can see there's an angle there. It has a top size of 18 by 24. So it's kind of hard to see the whole thing in this image, but this is it. So that is sponge number 2. And the third one is YSBM, and that one is bariatric rectangular shape. The base size is 10.5 by 14.5 by 3, and the top size is 8 by 12. So that is the third of the fourth sponge. I'll show you the fourth one here. The fourth one is the YSBA, and that one is a 45-degree bariatric spinal wedge with the dimensions of 10 by 27.5 by 7 inches. So you can see that here, triangular. So these are great products, and you can ask for your quote. Send an email to sales@cspmedical.com, and we'd be happy to send you a quote for that. And feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.